How to do basic video editing. If you've ever approached me in my inbox to tell me you want to learn how to edit videos, this particular video I'm making right now is for you. I've had a lot of people come to my inbox to tell me they want to learn how to edit videos, and one thing I will usually tell them is go on TikTok and learn. And another thing I will say is play around with your editing tools. Most of the things I know are self-taught. Nobody taught me anything. I learned by playing around with tools and softwares, or simply by researching. But I understand not everybody is gonna be self-taught like myself. So that is why I am doing this video now that I have the chance to teach you how to edit your videos. So we are going to start from the basics, you understand? So the tool I usually use is CapCut. In fact, CapCut is the video editing tool that most content creators use. CapCut has the free and the pro version. Recently, I've been using the pro version of CapCut, but before now, I've been using the free version. So even if you do not have access to the pro version of CapCut, it is not a problem because the free can serve also. This particular video I am making right now, we are going to use it to do the editing lessons. So I don't want this video to be long. Let's get to it, okay? Oh, I almost forgot to mention that when shooting your video, that is before we get to the editing, when shooting your video, make sure you are shooting where there is clear and enough lightning. Okay, that would help your video to turn out really well, because if you shoot in a dark environment or where there is no enough illumination from the light, your video will not turn out crisp and beautiful like you want. As much as you want to learn video editing, but also learn how to shoot with enough lighting. This video I am shooting right now, my phone camera, the backlight is on. Then I don't want to switch this camera around, like I don't want to move it around, but my chandelier, the light is on. My RGB lights are currently on right now that I'm shooting this video. So let's just get to the editing, I beg. So this is my CapCut app. You can find it on your Play Store or Apple Store. CapCut, that is the name. Let's open it. So these are some of the videos I had edited in the past. These are some of my videos, but let's get to this current editing. So the first thing you want to do right now is to click on new video. That is, after shooting the video you want to edit, you come on CapCut and you click on new video like I just did. So these are the videos I want to edit. This 1 and 2, that is this one, 1, 2. I want to edit these videos. You click on add. So the videos has been added right now. Let's start editing. So you want to slide your phone, you want to slide this video to the point where you started talking. How to do basic video editing. Let me get it again. Okay, I started talking from this point. So when you get to the point where you start talking, you click on split. Look at split. You click on it, then click on this first one and you delete it because you do not need this first clip. Look at delete under. You click on delete to get it out of the way. So let's continue listening to this video. How to do basic video editing. Okay, so right now I feel like I am not talking fast enough in this video, and I do not want this particular video to be very, very long. I do not want that. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on that same video, then I'll go to speed. I'll click on normal, and I will add the speed to 1.3. Let's check. How to do basic video editing. If you've ever approached me, okay, it is currently on 1.3 speed frequency. So, and I like exactly the way it is talking. So I do not need to decrease or increase the speed. So let's scroll further and delete the end that is not needed. I don't want this video to be long. Let's get to it, okay? So we either click on split and delete this one, or let me undo it, or we just click on it and slide this bar like this until it gets to this point. Long. Let's get to it, okay? Okay, I want to do the same thing I did to the other one, to this one too. Oh, okay. This is where the video started from, so I will split and delete the first one, which is the beginning. I want it to start from where I was talking. I almost forgot. Okay, so I'm going to also increase the speed to 1.3 because I was talking very slow. My normal voice is quite slow, so I want it to be faster so that it can keep my audience engaged. Mark, let's go to the end. Right now that I'm shooting this video, so let's just get to the editing, I beg. Okay, then we slide this one to cut off the end. You understand? So this place now, I am still going to add this video that I am recording, this screen recording. I'm still going to add it to the end of this video. So let's assume I had already finished with this screen recording. What I will do is to click on plus, this plus sign here, and add it. Okay, this is just an assumption that I'm done with this recording. You see, I just taught you how to use the plus sign besides the plus sign menu. So I don't need this. I am going to delete it. Any clip you want to delete, you just tap on it, you will see delete under, then you delete it. So let's edit the video itself. So there's something I usually like to do with my videos. I like the beginning of my videos to be blur. Look at how I achieve it. You see effect. There's effect under these menus. Click on effect. Click on video effect. Then you choose any of the effects that you want to use. You see all these ones with something like diamond on them. Those ones are standard or pro features. So, but the effect I usually use, this one is a free feature. So I click on it, and did you see what happens to my video? The beginning was blur. So I've done that. This is one of my video signature. Then I want to add a text to this particular video right now. What I am going to do is to click on text. I click on text, then I chose text template. You can either use a template or use a sticker or use the add text button, but I usually use the text template because the text I like is there. So I clicked on the text template. You look at the one I usually use. I usually use aesthetics. It is a standard feature, and I am on standard already. So when you click on the template you want, the next thing you want to do is to give your video a title. So my video title is how to edit videos on CapCut. Maybe I should just name it video basic editing tutorial. Okay, let me just leave it like this. So how to edit videos on CapCut. This is the caption I gave it right now. Then you click on good. You click on this square button to adjust the size. To adjust the size of the text. Then you click on the text that is on the yellow bar below. You slide through it to adjust it. I don't want it to extend too much over the video. How to do basic video editing. You see, the text is already there. So if you want to edit your main video itself, like I want to lighten up this video, what I will do is to click on the clip, on one of the clip. Then I will go to adjust. Yes, I will go to adjust. I will click on brightness. Let's brighten this up a bit. Do I want to brighten up? When you slide like this, it will get darker. When you slide this way, it will get brighter. So you just have to be in between. Don't do too much. So I turned up the brightness level to 6. The contrast, do I want to contrast it? Okay, I want to reduce it. So all these settings is dependent on the lighting on your video. So I reduced the contrast to 3, and the saturation I increased it to 6. The sharpness I increased it to 40. I shouldn't have used that green RGB light that was on when I was shooting this video. I don't like the color on my video. So you go to HSL. So one of the colors in this video is green. So let's make that more prominent. I will increase it a little. So all these adjust settings is dependent on the color of your video or the brightness of your video. So my bedsheet color is blue. Let me also adjust this a little. This one is sea green. I don't think I have this color. Then let's adjust blue a little. Are you seeing the changes it is making to this video? So this one, what I am doing right now is called color. I've forgotten the name, but there's a name they call it. Color again one. I can't remember. So you click on this drop down arrow here, and you click on apply to all. This settings that I just did right now, that is the adjust settings I just did right now, has been applied to all of this video, both the first one and the second one that I shot. Can you see it? Now let's assume I want to, okay, it's not even an assumption. I want to add caption to this video while it plays. So what I will do is to go down to my menu and click on captions. Then you click on any of the captions templates you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one. You click on generate. So it is generating this. It has to get to 100%. I don't know if it will be able to generate this one. I am screen recording and editing the video. Okay, yes, it's generated. Thank God. You see the video, the captions has been automatically generated. How to do basic video editing. Can you see that? So I don't like to leave my captions beneath my video. I like to move it upwards. So all I have to do is to go to the body of my video and drag this caption upward to where I want it to be. And again, I do not like this caption template. I have to change it right now. What I will do is to click on style. So I'll click on style and go ahead to choose one of the templates that I like using. Let's search for templates that will catch my eyes. I don't like all these ones there. Which one should I choose now? Let me just choose any of the templates. Maybe this one. How to do basic video editing. Okay, this one is good. Let me change the font. I will change the font to Mellow. Yes, I like using Mellow font. Mac. And I am good to go. Do basic video editing. If you've ever approached me in my inbox, you see, there is nothing too much about video editing. It's just as simple as this. So this is where I'm going to end this video right now. Can you see the caption populated on all of my videos, all of it? So I'm going to end this video here right now because it's becoming too long. Any question that you have, you can drop it in the comment, and I will do well to address it, so far as it is not something that I've obviously talked about.